Pacific greetings. Did you know that the Pacific people pay some of the highest rates in the world when sending money back to their families? That's not right, is it? But don't worry, the SendMoneyPacific app is here. The SendMoneyPacific app is free and now available to download on Android and iPhone. SendMoneyPacific is the official money comparison service for the Pacific Islands, supported by the Australian and New Zealand governments. In 5 easy steps, you can download the app, and in 3 easy steps, you can compare more than 40 providers and save more money for your family. Step 1. If you have an Android phone, select the Google Play Store icon. If you have an Apple iPhone or iPad, select the App Store icon. Step 2. Go to the search bar. Step 3. Type in SendMoneyPacific and select the SendMoneyPacific logo. The SendMoneyPacific logo has 2 blue-colored arrows in a circular shape. Select the green button that says Install. Step 4. Select the green button which says Open. Once you have successfully downloaded the SendMoneyPacific app, your main screen will now display the SendMoneyPacific app icon. Step 5. You are now on the homepage of the SendMoneyPacific app. You can either click on the How to Use SendMoneyPacific video or click on the Continue button to proceed to the next screen. You can use the SendMoneyPacific app in your preferred Pacific language. To select your language, click on the 3 lines at the top left of your screen to open the menu. Click on Community Languages and select your preferred language. Now you are in the app. Follow the next 3 steps on how to use it. First, select the country that you are sending money from, either Australia or New Zealand. Second, choose the flag of the country you are sending money to. Third, choose from either $200 or $500 to get the best indication of how much money you will save. Your best 3 matches to save money will appear instantly, or if you prefer, you can find your fastest matches. Click on the link of your best provider to send money through them directly. Select More Matches to see more of your best matches. You can save up to $60 on a single $500 transaction. So don't forget to check your best matches regularly. Subscribe through our website to get your latest rate information, now updated weekly. And follow and like SendMoneyPacific on Facebook. Share with your family and friends that the SendMoneyPacific app is free and available to download on Android and iPhone.